Hi, I'm Richard Solomon, Vice President of PCI-SIG and Co-Chair of the Serial Enabling Work Group. I'm here at the PCI-SIG Compliance Workshop, where our member companies have gathered to test their products for compliance and interoperability to be included on the PCI-SIG Integrators List, which allows them to claim compliance for the products.
Oftentimes, members don't have all this equipment to test at home. So they'll walk around, set down their product, start talking with a test equipment vendor, and move through the test until they've completed it and hopefully passed.
I'm Chris Brokey. I'm the Technical Compliance Program Manager for the PCI-SIG. I work at the workshops to help TE vendors set up their test equipment suites, and I'm here to answer any kind of questions that the members may have related to the compliance program.
So there's kind of two types of testing that happen at a compliance workshop. One is what we call our gold suites, and that's a set of standardized tests that we've put together to look for kind of the key pieces of interoperability, key electrical characteristics, key protocol factors that are going to affect whether products work together. And then the second piece is we actually test the products together. So we'll have our members will bring in systems, add-in cards, we'll rotate those around, plug all the add-in cards into all the systems, really kind of work out actual testing, what people often think of as a plug fest.
On the electrical side, we do the receiver testing to make sure that the transmissions are error-free. Also, the preset testing gets done there so that the device responds with the correct preset in the allotted time. On the transmission side, we do the signal quality, and for adding cards to PLL bandwidth, and for systems we do the jitter. On the configuration test, we do the link transaction to make sure that all the messaging that goes back and forth is being treated correctly to the specifications and the configuration space. Currently at the workshops, we test products against the PCIe 3.0 specification, the PCIe 4.0 specification, and they're all tested against the CHEM form factor. And then we test officially for the U.2 form factor. We have started correlation events for the 5.0 specification.
PCI-SIG has over 800 member companies, and typically at these events we'll have 50 or 100. This particular compliance workshop, we're just outside of the San Francisco airport. It's really easy for our attendees to get in and out of. Of course, a lot of high tech out here in the Bay Area, so it's convenient for our member companies as well. What I like about holding these events at an atrium style hotel is kind of the openness of it all. You can look down the hall, see which suites are open, which suites are busy. It's very easy to get an idea of where you need to go next. PCI-SIG holds between 4 and 6 compliance workshops a year. We try and do a number in the United States, and we try and do at least one outside the US, typically in Taiwan or other parts of the Asia Pacific region. We kind of cover our members out there.
In walking through a PCI-SIG compliance workshop, members first start a few weeks in advance by registering their product. Once you come on site, you're greeted by PCI-SIG staff members that will actually give you your final schedule and your name badge so you can kick off testing. Once you've kicked off testing, you're walking around to the test equipment vendors that are the experts in the program. So these experts are going to help you get through your entire list of tests, and once you're done, you can then fill out the product listing request form to get on the integrators list.